Hi there, I'm Russell, and this is a base review of something I put together called Bookmark. So Bookmark is basically a way that I can track my reading, physical books. So it stands as kind of a digital version of keeping a paper bookmark. Obviously that comes with a few benefits, which I'll walk you through now. So I guess the simplest thing it does is allows me to categorize a series of books, and each book has a current page number. So that's the bookmark side of it. The slightly deeper bit of data here, which makes this even more useful, is the fact that I keep an entry for every time that I read the book and then save my page number. And what that does is basically shows my progress over time. I'll just show you the form that does that. So I have a link to this on my phone, and I just go add bookmark, write the page number in, select the book, and submit. I've also got a date time field there, but I feel like I probably don't need that now. I could probably automate that with a script. And that, of course, gives me my latest page number and the date that I last read the book. So by keeping each of those bookmarks along the way, what I get for free is some quite nice progress charts here that just shows me progress over days or a timeline of my reading, and you can see where I get a bit stuck with a book and decide not to read it for 6 months. So this is my all books category, but I also have a set of current books. And with books I'm reading right now, what I also do is predict when I expect to finish that book. And of course that's quite easy to do. If you're halfway through a book and it took you a month, you know that it's going to take you 2 months in total to finish it, so that gives you an expected finish date. It's easy to calculate, and of course it also gives you a bit of gamification, because if I know that if I keep reading at the pace I am right now, the expected finish will stay put, but if I read a bit faster, I can bring the date closer, and it sort of gives me some achievement to work towards, like there's a finish line with the book that I can beat, which is cool. The other way that I've started trying to motivate myself to keep reading is using automations. And so this automation is fairly simple. What I'm doing is I'm setting up a prompt to email myself. And what I do is I email myself for every 3 days that I haven't read a book. So if it's been 3 days or 6 days or 9 days, I'll get an email reminder. And that's fairly simple to calculate. I'll just show you how this works. So we have a send alert field. And what that does is checks that the book is in progress, so it's one of the ones I'm reading right now, and it checks whether the days since I last read the book is divisible by 3 exactly. And if there's a decimal place in it, which is what this find does, then it won't send because it's not divisible by 3. And if that is correct, then it will show itself in a view, and then I set myself up an email that says, you haven't read something in this many days, keep reading. And so here's what that email looked like. It says, you haven't read the book name in X days, here's how far through you are, make time to read it, and gives me some motivational quotes to carry on to do so. Cool, and that's all. Hope you enjoyed. Cheers.